brow time. Lisa D. Ligori with Simple Beauty Minerals, clean, effective, natural beauty. Of course, a smaller and more personal clean beauty brand. So today I want to shape and define my brows with you. I'm going to show you the tools that I'm going to use. Then I'm going to remove the brow makeup, take away what I have on right now, and put them back on with you. I'm going to use Middle Earth brow powder with the fine angle brow brush. I may use this Kosas Brow Pop pencil as well. I like to use the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Brow Gel, a spoolie, a razor, a pair of scissors. The other piece, you want to make sure you have spacing between your brow that looks balanced. So you want to take one eye length and put it between your eyebrows. That's what's considered a balanced amount of space between your brows. Having said all that, everybody's eyebrows and eye shapes are different. So you need to go with what you naturally have and make the most of that. You cannot, if you have a straight eyebrow, you cannot give yourself a high arch. Go with what you naturally have and work with that. Let's go with the eyebrow shape and the pencil method. Take something thin like a pencil or an eye makeup brush. Find the center of your eye. Place the pencil at the edge of your nose here, keeping it rather in the center of your eye. It's hard for me to do this and look at you at the same time. And that's where your natural arch would be. Following the nose and to the edge of the eye, that's where your natural end of your eyebrow would be. This is where the natural edge of the brow would be. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a spoolie and we're going to brush up our brows. If you have any hairs that are too long, that are really going above the arch, just take the little scissors and clip off the hair. You don't want any straggly hairs though, so trim those long hairs. I love this little mini razor to keep my brows fresh and clear. So I typically will not take any of the hairs off the top. I let them grow, but I will clear underneath. So I will very gently look very close in my 10x mirror, and I will shave off any of the little hairs just to keep the brows really nicely shaped and clean. Because what's happened, maybe you've noticed the same thing. I don't have enough brows to go in and get waxed anymore, but I have just enough where I want to clean it up. You can also use this for little nose hairs. I get hairs right here, little chin hairs. That's a good one. And even stray mustache hairs. Let's put the brows on. I'm going to use the brush, and I'm going to go in hair-like motions. If I want to, I can add with a pencil. You can do pencil first or pencil last. It really is up to you. But using a pencil crayon and the powder really helps the brow to stay on as they attach to each other, and you've got longer lasting brow if that's an issue for you. And then I will brush some brow gel on for more definition. This also has some brow growth and enhancers in it. There you go. I have my brow back on.